So welcome back to part 2 of our self-care introduction class lecture. So we left off by talking about the basic checklist we should follow when creating self-care. So one is to create a no list with things you don't like or you no longer want to do. So those are like activities that you feel like are not really helping you, and some that do. And the next one is actually probably most important, is to promote a nutritious, healthy diet. So I know right now, like when people are stressed, they usually like go to like junk food or things that are unhealthy, or even alcohol. They go to alcohol or drugs. So we just gotta keep in mind to make sure that we're eating healthy and a well balanced diet. And some people also, like when they feel anxious or stressed, they don't eat at all. So we just got to make sure we are still taking care of our bodies by feeding ourselves nutritious food. Another one too that we should follow is to get enough sleep. So adults usually need 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, and I know that's kind of a hard thing to do right now. I know I've heard a couple of people say that they're having trouble sleeping at night just because they're stressed and worried, and they just don't know about the unknown. Like we don't know when we're going to go back to program. We don't know how long this is going to be, if it's going to get worse, if it's going to get better. So there's just a lot of unknowns out there. So it's making people anxious, and we're losing sleep. So we just got to make sure that we're getting to at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. All right, another one too that we need to keep in mind is exercise. So in contrast to what many people think, exercise is good for our emotional health as well as our physical health, because it increases our serotonin levels, leading to improve our mood and energy. So it is in line with self-care conditions. What's important is that you choose a form of exercise that you like. So again, this goes back to choosing something you like. If you like walking, or if you like yoga, so just keep in mind of exercises that you'll enjoy, so that will make you more motivated to do it. We do have an intern named Nicole. She's going to be starting a dance class too for us. And so when she has that up, I'll help her post it to the Google Classroom and also to our YouTube channel. So make sure you guys go to our YouTube channel too if you haven't already. For Encore, it's our Encore YouTube channel. All right, another important thing I know is kind of hard right now because a lot of people are anxious about going to the hospital, going to the doctor's office, but we just got to make sure we follow up with our medical care. So it's not unusual to put off checkups or visits to the doctors, especially when we're stressed out or we feel like our lives are busy. So we just got to make sure we follow up with our medical care. And there's like other like programs or insurance that has like teledocs or like more nurses too, so that you could call up, and that's a good option too, rather than just go to the doctor. So if you're feeling sick or unwell, or you need a refill medication, so that's another option. So make sure you check with your insurance and see if they have that option. Also, we need to remember to use relaxation exercises or practice meditation. So you can do these exercises any times of day. So a lot of people do meditation. Some people have a hard time with that because either their mind wanders too easily, or they just get tired and they fall asleep. So another like meditation is just like maybe going outside and just noticing like the sounds of nature around you, or just something like that. Or even people like read devotions or do affirmations. So we also need to spend enough time with your loved ones. This is like a unique time where we could get connected to people that we haven't talked to in a while, so by the phone or email. So just look for that. And that is the end of part 2. So part 3 will be coming to you soon.